Hello student, in this video we're going to talk about microscope. In this video we're going to concentrate on what are the uses of microscope, what are the different parts of microscope, how to use a microscope, and how to handle the microscope after use or before use, like how to take care of the microscope so that we can use it for longer period of time. So I hope everybody is very much familiar with the microscope, and it is the first and foremost instrument which you will encounter whenever you enter to any kind of medical laboratory. So these kind of instruments are usually been used to see the minute substances which is not visible to our naked eye. So if you want to see any kind of minute substances, you can use microscope, which magnifies the image by different times. There are different types of microscope, but the most common microscope is simple and compound microscope. But there are different types of divisions, like if I say compound microscope, then we have the phase contrast microscope, we have fluorescent microscope. There are different types of microscope for but in these video we're going to concentrate on compound microscope. So the simple microscope is concerned, they have a magnification power up to 2x to 200x, but compound microscope has a different kind of object, magnifying image, and they have two types of lens, which is one near to the object and other near to the observer's eyes. And compound microscope can be monocular or binocular. So monocular is nothing but having single eyepiece. If a microscope is having a single eyepiece, then it is called as monocular, and those which have two eyepiece, which is also called as binocular. Since in our lab we have both monocular and binocular, so we're going to discuss about all those microscope in a brief. So if you talk about different types of compounds or different types of parts which are there in compound microscope, number one is stand, number two is body, number three is optical system, number number last is light system. So we're going to discuss one by one. So as for the stand is concerned, it is horseshoe shaped in a monocular microscope, and it is basically give the stability to any kind of microscope, whether it is binocular or monocular. So as you can see in this picture, the particular arm, till from the arm till the end, which is giving the particular stability, which is giving the stability to the microscope, that is called as stand. Next is body. Body has a two component, and one component is stage, other component is knob. So stage is nothing but it is a metallic platform in which you can keep your slides, in which you're going to observe it, and the stage is movable. So like depending upon what kind of objective you're using, say for example, if you're using 100x objective, you want your stage to be little bit up, so you can move, you can make the stage up or downward also. And they have a metallic clip also, in which you can hold your slides properly, and they have an adjusting nerve wherein you can move the slides to back and forth and right to left. So that is called a stage, which we're going to see practically later in next video. So knob contains two kind of knobs. One is coarse knob and other one is fine knobs. So coarse and fine knob, which is also called as coarse and fine adjustment, they're nothing but if you want to see, so for example, if you want to see the image, first you will see the coarse adjustment. First you'll use the coarse adjustment so that you can visualize the picture under the microscope, and if you want to refine that image, you're going to use the fine adjustment. So now you can see, first we have talked about stage, then we have talked about coarse and fine adjustment. So in this picture you can see this is called as stage, whereas it is made of metallic stage. They have a clip in here. So with these two knobs, which is also called as stage control knobs, with the help of that, you can move the slides from this side to this side, or back and forth also. And these clips are meant to keep your slides in a stable position. So that is all about stage. This is all about stage. And next we have knob. See, this is called as कोर्स एडजस्टमेंट. कैन यू सी दिस नॉब? सो इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग कोर्स एडजस्टमेंट, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं फाइन एडजस्टमेंट. ओके, So these both the adjustment are used to magnify the image as well as to refine the image. Number the most important part is optical system. Optical system consists of an eyepiece, objective and condenser. So eyepiece is nothing but wherein you will put your eyes and then you visualize the image, and objectives are nothing but there are different types of objectives. Say for example, they have a different type of magnification power. So it can be 4x, it can be 100x, it can be 40x, it can be 10x. And then condenser. So eyepiece is nothing but to visualize the image. Objective is how much magnification you require, depending upon which you can change the objective. And condensers are nothing but they are two simple lens. It condenses the light on the object. Like आपको कितना गहरा या फिर कितना मतलब लाइट चाहिए उसके ऊपर आप डिपेंड उसके ऊपर आप यूज करते हो. ओके, सो इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी व्हाट वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट. वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट eyepiece, objective and condenser which comes under optical system है ना. तो ये आपका ये दोनों eyepiece है. Okay, and these are the objectives. Since you can see out here it's a compound microscope and it has got 4 objectives. So one objective is 4x, 10x, 40x and 100x, and these are condenser. Condenser nothing but condenser back and forth ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So जितना आपको intensity of light आपको चाहिए जिस ऑब्जेक्ट को विजुअलाइज करने के लिए उसके हिसाब से आप ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जब हम लोग when we use this 100x objective which has an oil immersion आपको यूज करना होता है जब हम लोग कंडेंसर को थोड़ा ऊपर रखते हैं. ओके, और अगर हम लोग लो पावर ऑब्जेक्टिव यूज कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग नीचे रखते हैं, और अराउंड 40x करने से हम लोग बीच में रखते हैं. ओके, सो इल्यूमिनेशन सिस्टम वेरिन जहाँ से लाइट आएगा. तो बेसिकली जब हम लोग पहले यूज करते थे the old microscope which we are using, they are fixed with the mirror. So we have to keep that particular microscope in a sunlight. और sun का ray आके illumination या फिर light reflect करता था. But then nowadays we have inbuilt bulb which is around 20 to 100 watts, which is there inbuilt. So that is very much convenient to use, and moreover we just need electricity and we can use it. That is called as illumination system. So this is the whole microscope. The basic microscope which we use in our lab are compound microscope. Compound microscope has different parts, which is called as number one is stage, stand, उसके बाद stage, उसके बाद आपका illumination system and optical system. Okay, so if you can see in this picture, these are eyepiece. Okay, and these are objective. This is also called as head. These are arm. और आप जब hole को बोलेंगे तो you can call it as stand also. These are mechanical stage wherein you have a clip in which you can adjust, you can fix some slides in which you want to observe it. These are stage and control knob. These are coarse adjustment, these are fine adjustment. ये आपका base रहा, यहाँ में आपका light fix रहता है. Light switch on switch off करने का यहाँ में है. Brightness बढ़ाएंगे तो clockwise, brightness कमाएंगे तो anti clockwise. Okay, and then you have condenser here. Diaphragm is also there. Diaphragm is how much light you want. So when you rotate in this side, you open the diaphragm. When you go to this side, then you will close the diaphragm. Okay, so these are all about a microscope. So how to use microscope? So microscope is very simple, very comfortable, very much easy to use. So first and foremost, whenever you're using microscope, you have to keep the microscope in a stable position. वो एकदम वो शेल्फ जो एकदम फर्म होना चाहिए, और माइक्रोस्कोप एकदम आराम से बैठना चाहिए, ऐसे टेढ़ा मेढ़ा करके नहीं बैठना चाहिए. Okay, so you have to if you're using this the mirror wala microscope, you have to adjust the light in such a way that sunlight direct आके आपके mirror में आए, आप और उसका illumination system use कर पाए. Otherwise you just have to on the microscope by using the plug point, and you on the light, and then you have to you have to select the what kind of objective you want to use. So there are 4x 10x 40x and 100x. आपके हिसाब से आप जितना ऑब्जेक्टिव यूज करना चाहते हो आप यूज कर सकते हो, लेकिन बेसिकली माइक्रो जब हम लोग पैथोलॉजी में यूज करते हैं तो whenever we are using this colorful substances, like we are using this Leishman stain while we want to observe the slides which has been stained by different type of staining reagents like Leishman stain. So we use 100x, which is oil immersion, and which is the other one which is not colored, doesn't have color, which is colorless, we use low power और 10x और 40x objective. Okay, so last time मैंने बोला था condenser है, condenser whenever you are using this lowest position, like lowest position, then whenever you are using this lowest objective, जैसे आप कलरलेस ऑब्जेक्ट को आप विजुअलाइज करना चाहते हो तो हम लोग बेसिकली 4x 10x 40x यूज करते हैं. तो जब भी आप ये यूज कर रहे हो तो हमेशा आपको कंडेंसर को लोएस्ट पोजीशन में रखना है, लोएस्ट पोजीशन में रखना है. सिमिलरली इफ यू आर यूजिंग द हाईएस्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव लाइक 100x तो आपको अपर मोस्ट पोजीशन में आपको कंडेंसर रखना है. सिमिलरली आप उसी तरह से डायफ्राम जो है, whenever you're using this colorless objects like urine examination जब हम लोग करेंगे, है ना, तो क्या होगा कि डायफ्राम को आप ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज या फिर पार्शियली क्लोज आप रखोगे तो इससे क्या होगा कि you can see the image very properly. Okay, and whenever you use 100x objective, it is you have to use oil immersion. And using oil immersion is very much important because while using the oil immersion it is very much important. Why? Because आप जब oil immersion use कर रहे हो, whenever using 100x, then what you have to do, you have to keep the slide, you have to put the oil, and then oil should touch the objective. So it is very much easy as compared to other form of objective we use, but it is also important that after using it you have to wipe the oil very like nicely from that objective, otherwise it can interfere with the the work of an objective when you use later. So please better use a tissue paper or a soft cloth to clean the objective. So this is very much important, how to handle the microscope. See, there are different types of points. So before and after use you always have to cover a microscope, because जहाँ में फंगस लगने वाला जो issue है, या फिर if it is dust and all, it can be really much effective in case of eyepiece और objective में ये बहुत खराब कर देता है. तो आपको हमेशा माइक्रोस्कोप को कवर करना चाहिए, हमेशा कवर. जब आप यूज करोगे, यूज करने के बाद भी उसको कवर में कवर करके रखना पड़ेगा. एंड व्हेन यू कैरी द माइक्रोस्कोप, however you carry the microscope, suppose say for example this is your arm, you always have to hold the arm of the microscope and the base of the microscope. ऐसे उठाना नहीं है आपको, हमेशा ऐसे करके उसको माइक्रोस्कोप को पकड़ना है. और मैंने आपको बोला ही था कि लेंस वगैरह है, आई पीस है, जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है उसको हमेशा क्लीन रखना है, उसको हमेशा डस्ट फ्री रखना है, उसको हमेशा फंगस फ्री रखना है. ओके, सो उसके बाद whenever you clean that microscope also you have to be very cautious, because if you use a harsh cloth then it can make a scratch on it. So whenever you use moist lens paper or soft tissue paper or soft cloth whenever you're using microscope. So I hope you are pretty much clear about microscope, how to use microscope, how to handle the microscope. Okay, so ये वीडियो सिर्फ theoretically आपको बताया गया है कि माइक्रोस्कोप कैसे का different parts क्या है, but in next video we going to see प्रैक्टिकली हम लोग देखने के लिए ट्राई करेंगे कि माइक्रोस्कोप का डिफरेंट पार्ट्स कहाँ और कैसे हम लोग बता सकते हैं. ठीक है, ओके. Thank you so much. If you have any questions regarding microscope, do comment in the comment box.